my name's Nate. I'm the shop manager at OK Tireland in Northridge. I've been doing mechanics for about 10 years now. Since I was young, I've always loved cars, and I started working on them, figured out that I was good at it, so I just continued to work on cars.
Can you tell us a little bit about what made you choose AutoLeap?
It's a smooth browser-based setup, so when you're doing a lot of stuff with customers on a day-to-day basis, and say you're off location, you're trying to fix a problem on the fly, you can just log into the browser. It's not VPN specific. You can just log in, fix what you need to fix, and be on your way. It's very easy. Everything's integrated, so you have, your QuickBooks, you have your parts ordering, the inspection list. It's all in one place. So if you need to find it, you just click and go.
We started on AutoLeap. Our first shop management software was AutoLeap. We got really comfortable with the system. I was mostly self-taught with the help of the team, and it's super smooth and super easy process that is very clear to the customers.
How do you think your day-to-day has changed since you started using AutoLeap?
Efficiency. Our efficiency has been way better. We've been a lot faster with getting work completed or selling work or ordering parts. Everything's just one click away. So you just click and you order.
AutoLeap, the team there is amazing. The system is super easy to use. We just got the CRM package, so it's promotional and follow-up campaigns, and that is definitely the best investment we've made.
Which AutoLeap feature do you love the most, and why?
My favorite feature is definitely the inspection lists. So when you go through an inspection, I can take pictures, I can take videos, I can highlight certain things. It's got a red light, green light system, so if it's bad, it's red. If it's green, it's good. And then you can get those in-betweens with the yellows.
The next-gen DVI, really easy to use. We have different age groups here, so we have guys ranging from 18 to 50. They're all able to get it within 5 minutes. We see a lot more approvals and a lot more clear answers. There's not as many, like our service advisors aren't getting questioned on, oh, what's this, what's this? We're able to send the pictures to their phone with the technician's notes. It's super clear, and it's just easy approvals. Since using the next-gen DVI, it has probably boosted our sales and our approval rates by 30–40% easily. If you're not using digital inspections, you're losing money. It's free money that is able to portray it to the customer and get the approval faster and make your life and the customer's life a lot easier.
Have you noticed improvements in your shop since using AutoLeap?
Since starting to use AutoLeap, our customer return has been a lot better. We're able to communicate with our customers easier, so we're able to actually see a lot more returning customers.
Would you recommend AutoLeap to other shop owners?
I would say 100% get it. It's probably the best integrated system we've used so far, and compared to any other system, it's just way easier to use. Simplification.